Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share your screen on Snapchat. Snapchat does not have a built-in feature specifically for sharing your screen during a chat or video call. However, you can still share your screen indirectly by using the screen recording feature available on most smartphones. And here's how you can do it. You can simply enable the screen recording on your device, enable the screen recording feature. This can usually be found in the control center or the settings on the Android devices on the panel. Over top you can see the voice screen recording. Simply toggle on that and open your Snapchat and simply start recording. And you can simply navigate to the Snapchat, open the Snapchat app and navigate to the content that you want to share your screen. And this is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notifications icon for more upcoming uploads.